here, and I'd like to welcome you to the Stamp Anything YouTube channel. Today we are doing our release video, and it is going to be different than what we have done in the past because we're going to be showing you all the products all at once, all on one day. So that's definitely new. And there's some other little new things that we'll be showing you, or how you'll be seeing them anyway, in this video as well. So we're switching things up a little bit, and I hope you enjoy it. So if you didn't know what this release is for this month, it is, how do I point to it? Okay, so it is the brand new social media release for December 2023, and we have some new characters and chibis joining us, which we'll talk about in just a moment. So let's get to it. So our first up, we have Darius and Eleni, #smiles. So I'm going to show you this product right here. So listen, I pulled it out of the packaging, so there's no glare for the video, and it is a photopolymer stamp, and they are neatly packaged and easily stored. And of course, you can also get, if you'd like, the matching outline die for this little cute set that's in this Polaroid card. So if you've noticed on your screen right now, and I'm pointing the wrong way again because I'm kind of reversed, but we have a new thing up here. So if you like the products that you see, you're able to scan them right on screen with your phone, and you're able to buy them just like that and add them to your cart. So it's a cute and new little feature that we hope you enjoy. So we have Darius and Eleni, and our next stamp up is Penelope. Thought I'd check in. So Penelope is a brand new stamp. She is a brand new chibi kid joining us, and this is her, and she's so cute. And of course, she also comes with an outline die as well. Now, she does come with sentiments. Thought I'd check in to tell you hello, happy birthday to you, hi, I miss you. And she does have this cute little speech bubble as well. And then lastly, in our release, but certainly not least, we have Courtney. I really like. She is too cute, and she's holding this little thumbs up like button that we're all so familiar with, and she's got some sentiments as well, like I really like your heart, your face, your smile, or you. So super 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 cute. And of course, you can get in a matching outline die for her as well. So of course, in every release we have 3 stamps that come out every month, and then we also have a builder die. This builder die I'm pretty excited about. It is the camera builder die right here, and you're going to see some examples a bit in this video coming up, but this is an amazing little die, and I think people are going to have a lot of fun with it, and I can't actually wait to see how people use it. And then of course, in every month we have a word die, and this month we have #memories. We have the #memories word die. So super cute, and I'm hopefully getting it focused here for you to see. But I love this little die, and I haven't got to use it myself yet, so hopefully I'll be making a card with it soon. And then of course, every month we also have a stencil. This month's stencil is called On the Grid, and it looks like this. So also super duper cute, and pairs well with our dies and stamps this month. So what am I going to show you next? Well, I thought we can go over some of the design team's work, and we'll take a look at how all these products got used. So if you see me looking around, it's because in this new system, how we're going to show things, everything's up on the side for me to bring up on the screen, so sometimes I might need to look away, but hopefully we'll get used to it and get better. So the first card we're going to look at today is one by Steven, where he's used the Darius and Eleni stamp. Super cute, and here is that Polaroid camera builder die in action, as well as the word die, and this card was by Steven. Our next card up is another Darius and Eleni card, and this is by design team member Marilyn Scheller. Another super super duper cute card. And then here it is. Here's our new girl. Here is Penelope, and this card was done by Brennan, and you can see how he's used the little speech bubbles in this card, and that stencil really nice and bright in the background. Our next is Sandra Peterson. Her card here, she has integrated some past builder dies, like the plant and leaves builder die, from a previous set, and she's actually made this cute little hotel check-in vibe card, which as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. And again, it's a new way to use the product, so we love that. Next up, we have a card by Valeska, and Valeska she did Courtney justice, because this card it's so cute, right? So again, here's Courtney. She's super popular, and I can already tell you, I think she's going to be flying off the shelves, because when I'm posting this video, these products have already been up for sale for a bit, and I already know they've been selling fast. So if you like her, you got to get her. So here's our last card that I'm going to show you from our design team, and this is Betty Lim Silvernails card. Totally nice, bright. You love all these cards. So again, we're going to see the memories word die used, and Courtney, and it's all just super cool. So what else do I have to show you today? Well, we're not done yet, because we've also released our new Kawaii Cuties Let's Get Social stamp and die set. So here we go. Let's show you. So here are the stamps, and you can see you get the little over here, the little bird from Twitter, the little guy from Reddit, a pin for Pinterest, our little Instagram logo, our little YouTube logo, TikTok, of course, WeChat, or as Brendan suggested, also can be used just for messages. And then we have our little Snapchat logo as well. And then there's a bunch of sentiments on here. So we have, it's your anniversary, I read it, make it snappy, can we chat, let's put a pin in it, our friendship with Insta, it's your birthday, let's get social, and liked it. And then you can also buy these as a set and save money, because they also come, you can also get it with the outline dies, of course. So again, super, super cute, love this set, and it just so happens to fit very, very nicely with the new chibi set that just came out this month. So let us take a look at some more design team cards. So right now we're going to look at, this one is by Kelly Dwyer Nagy, and this is our cute little card with the Let's Get Social set. And next up we have Alison Hil's card, also super cute. I love the Instagram repeat stamp in the emboss here. Totally cute design here. We have by Becky Williams. Ooh, get that back on the screen. A little flock of the little Twitter birds. We're always going to call it Twitter, I think, even though it's called X. That's just my opinion. And then finally, maybe there's a card by me too. Let's Get Social. And this one is just done with some watercolor and quick and simple. So you've got to now see everything that we have come out with this month. And if you're like, oh my gosh, we missed Misty, don't worry. Misty is still going to be here on the YouTube channel. So what we're actually doing is myself or Annie will be doing more of the release videos. And that way Misty can do more tutorial videos for you. So we hope you've enjoyed seeing all the new products. And all the links are going to be in the description below as well. So you know what? Thank you very much for joining me. I hope this video has gone okay. This is kind of my first time being on camera doing this kind of thing where I'm showing you all the products, because I'd say Misty has more experience than I do. So hopefully this goes really well and you'll join me again. So for everybody who came and joined me today, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. And also, we're going to do this thing. We're going to go, we need you to like. No, we need you to subscribe. We need you to like. We need you to hit that notification bell so you get notifications when we do something. And if you like this video and you like these products, all you got to do is hit the share button. And that is all. So thank you very much, everybody, for watching me today. And we'll see you next time.